Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by acting quickly but calmly. Wash your hands and dry them on a lint-free towel because touching the eye transfers germs, then sit in good light facing a mirror. Once done, inspect the eye with the help of a clean tissue and the mirror to locate the particle, surface or under the eyelid, so you know which removal method to use. Make sure saline or distilled water is within reach and a clean cup is ready for an eye rinse. You now flush and, if needed, evert the eyelid. Tilt your head back and cup sterile saline in your hand, or use a syringe without a needle to pour a steady stream across the eyeball, because flushing washes away loose material without touching the surface. If that fails and the particle feels trapped under the lid, gently grasp the upper lashes and pull the upper lid over the lower lashes while the eye looks down. This often dislodges debris. Make sure to blink repeatedly and check the mirror after each attempt. You finish by gently removing a visibly accessible particle or seeking help. If you can see the speck on the white sclere and it won't flush free, moisten a sterile cotton swab and, looking in the mirror, touch only the white edge to lift it out. Avoid cornea contact. Once removed, rinse again and rest the eye. If pain, tearing, blurry vision, or light sensitivity appears, or if the particle is embedded or from metal/chemical exposure, get immediate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.